ये क्या है, इसे क्या पढ़ेंगे आप? They eat them. What is this? Actually, this is they eat them. Okay, they eat them is not actually spoken they eat them. It's spoken they eat them. They eat them, right? Similarly, this is they ate them. That means they ate them. They ate them. This is they ate them. They ate them. But अगर आप इसको बोलोगे आराम से, emphasizing all the words, तो आपको पूरा प्रोनाउंस करना पड़ेगा they ate them. All right, what is this? They're reading. They reading? No, they are eating. They are eating them. Okay. They. What is this? The lead him. They'll eat them. The lead him. The lead him. They'll eat him. Okay. इसे हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? They'll actually में है they'll eat them. Okay. इसे हम पढ़ेंगे they'll eat them. And what is this? They'll eat him. That means they would eat them. They'll eat him. They're eating. Okay. Similarly आगे भी है they'd have written, they'd have written, they'd have written, they'd have written means they would have written, and so on. इसकी बात हम लोग करेंगे next time. For complete course, comment VNA and make sure you follow me. You'll get the complete ebook and free of cost course on voice and accent training. So follow me.